Hello everyone. This is an awareness video presented by Annai Teresa Friends Social Service Group Coimbatore. Nowadays, we come across a lot of fraud activities. Such frauds are bank frauds, insurance frauds, and etc. Here I am going to tell you about insurance frauds in the name of banks. In this case, you will be asked to take the insurance policy in the famous insurance company by the famous bank. Have you caught up in this kind of scam? And have you lost your money by taking insurance policy? Don't worry, we are here to help you. We are going to tell you how to get your money back, and also we are going to share the experience of the victim who suffered in the scam and recovered at last. Do you want to know whether did any victim get their money back or not? Yes, it is none other than our friend. One of our friend got caught up in this kind of scam and struggled a lot to recover. Here, if you caught up in this kind of scam, no need to struggle because we are going to provide the recovering steps. Before that, we are going to share the summary of our friend's problem. When my friend is in the urgent need of money and was trying for the bank loan, she got a call from the name of Kotak Mahindra Bank. Even this is what the name displayed in the Truecaller, and she was guided by a lady called Prabha to take insurance policy in the Reliance Nippon Life Insurance Company. And also, she promised to issue a loan at low interest through Kotak Mahindra Bank. After having the hope and so-called brand names Kotak and Reliance, our friend made a policy in Reliance Nippon Life Insurance Company and waiting for the loan. After some time, no loan was provided. Then soon she realized that she was cheated by that particular person only to take the insurance policy in Reliance Nippon Life Insurance Company. The bank name involved in this scam is Kotak Mahindra Bank and the insurance company is Reliance Nippon Life Insurance Company. After this activity, she tried a lot to recover from it, but she failed in everything. At last, after 2 years, she come to know about the person insurance ombudsman. After the 2 years of struggle, our friend was helped by insurance ombudsman of Chennai Pondicherry branch. Here, we are going to provide a steps how to contact insurance ombudsman. First, you need to write a mail or a letter to the insurance ombudsman. The address of the insurance ombudsman is provided in this website. Totally 17 insurance ombudsman office are present in India. So you can choose one of the ombudsman according to your area. Soon you will get reply from insurance ombudsman with the form. Fill the form with the detail and mention what is the relief you sought for. Submit all evidences which is necessary proof that we are cheated by someone. Finally, send that form to insurance ombudsman by post. And don't forget, the complainant should be the insurance policy holder. In our friend's case, her mother is the policy holder. So the complaint is made by the mother name, by her mother name. After few days, you will be called from insurance ombudsman for the verification. Then they will arrange a video hearing between you and the insurance company representative, and they will investigate with both of you. In that case, in that time, in that situation, you need to provide all the evidences how you were cheated to take a policy and how you were become a victim. Once you submitted everything, after the investigation, the award will be passed by the insurance ombudsman. In our friend's case, it is proved that the policy is a mis-selling policy. Finally, mis-selling of the policy is proved after the investigation. Here, in not only for the mis-selling case, you can contact this insurance ombudsman for any kind of problems, like problem in health claim, problem in health insurance, death claim, and etc. Totally, already I told you There are 17 insurance ombudsman office across India. For Tamil Nadu, you need to contact Chennai Pondicherry branch insurance ombudsman. Once you proved your integrity, the award will be passed by the insurance ombudsman to the insurance representative to cancel the policy and also to return your money back, which was collected as a premium amount from you. In my friend's case, the premium amount collected is 1,50,000. Okay, so please aware in this kind of scam. And the same award copy will be sent to you also, so keep it safe. Before applying, here I am going to provide the website. It shows the synopsis of awards passed so far. In this website, you can find more number of complaints and what is the solution given to that problems or given in this website. Before make a complaint, you just go through it. And not only those numbers, and it is also repeated by different numbers. One of the number is given by my friend here, and please be aware of this kind of fraud numbers. Okay, look at here. In this, the two numbers are provided. Please aware of those numbers and also the number given here. Our humble request is be aware of this kind of fraudulence. Okay, the motivation of this video is only to share the awareness among the people and how to recover in case of this kind of scams. Okay, so be aware of fraudulence. This video issued in public interest by Anna Teresa Friends Social Service Group, Coimbatore. In case if you have any queries, please contact through this email ID annatheresafriendsservicegroup@gmail.com. Not only our friend, our whole team are grateful to the insurance ombudsman of the Chennai and Pondicherry branch and his team. So please be aware and please share this video to all your friends. In case if they got caught up in this kind of scam, they can be recovered from it, and also others can be aware of this kind of calls. Even though it is a famous and brand companies, don't believe them without some proper evidences. Okay, thank you so much.